easy and simple New Year card.
If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Hit the bell button and comments below. Hello friends, my name is Aishmin. Welcome to my Beautiful and Fun. Today we are going to make these purple cards. These cards look amazing. You can give it to your dearest or your friends. Now let's get started.
Purple pastel sheet, white sheet, yellow pastel sheet, glitter foam, stickers, bead stickers, texture sheet. Firstly, we will paste the white sheet inside the card. List of the material is given in the description box. Firstly, we will make and cut the strip of yellow sheet. I upload one video every Friday at 5 PM. Don't miss that. We need 2 more strips of different colors. I have taken blue and pink. It's time to make the cut on each strip like this. Now we will paste the texture sheet, then strips. Extra. After that, we will write Happy New Year. Decorate it with butterflies and beads. And paste some star stickers. And then some bead stickers. Now let's paste some butterflies inside the card. Voila! It's ready. It looks so elegant. What do you think? Let me in the comment section below.
If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. If you don't want to miss my upcoming videos, then hit the bell button and comments below. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest and Instagram also. Subscribe me at Aishmin on my channel. The question of the day